Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, girl, welcome back. Listen, I have some really cute hair that I think you're absolutely going to fall in love with about as much as I did from XrsBeauty Hair. If you want to see how I did this amazing hair melt with this new clear lace, then hello, stay tuned. So you're going to see me on some bald-headed. Just stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a hair video, my very first ever video of this kind, okay? And this is by XrsBeauty Hair. That's XrsBeauty Hair, okay? And as you can see in these pictures where I'm showing you the 3 different types of lace, this is the brand new clear lace. You're gonna see the transparent lace, a regular brown lace, and then XrsBeauty Hair's new clear lace, okay? This is lace like you've never seen before. You will probably never see again. As you can see, the lace is beautifully melted right into the skin. Now, don't pay attention to me and my raggedy film skills in this point, but you can clearly see that this lace is like no other, and it melts like no other. You definitely do not want to miss out on this type of lace. Hey, y'all. Y'all can see I'm here on my bald-headed ish, right? But no, for real, this is my very first time ever doing a lace melt. I have never tried this before because I always felt like it was something that I just didn't know how to do. I've watched 101 videos. As you can see, my my forehead is extremely small, right? And I also have a widow's peak, which makes things a little bit weird for me. But I did still want to try to do this for you guys, just to show you that you do not have to be an expert to wear a beautiful pro type, I was gonna say forehead, not forehead girl, for a pro type melted hairline, okay? So here goes our boxing. Like I showed you a little bit before, but I wanted to show you just kind of the hair up close and personal. Thank you so much for XrsBeauty Hair for sponsoring and collaborating for this video. So let's show you the hair. You do get all these goodies. You get a wig cap, some combs, some bands. This is for baby hairs, y'all. I do not believe in baby hairs. I'm sorry, but I'm a grown woman. I don't know how to do it, and I'm a hater. For all you beautiful ladies that know how to lay your baby hairs, shout out to you, because, girl, I'm not one of them. Okay, then we have curlers, okay? So shout out to XrsBeauty Hair for sending us beautiful packaging, a wonderful, amazing unit that you guys are not going to believe. I'm telling you, this hair, girl, listen, never in my life, never have I seen hair that looks this beautiful. This hair is gorgeous. On top of the fact that the hair is gorgeous, look at the lace. Girl, look at the hair. Movement, 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 period. Okay, let me go ahead and get unbald-headed, and I will be right back. Before I get unbald-headed, let me just show you. So you have the area where you can put your adjustable band. Excuse my nail, but you can go ahead and put your adjustable band here to make your wig a little bit more secure. You have 3 outer lane combs, so 2 here, and then 1 at the nape of the neck, plus straps that are adjustable, and then 1 in the middle, like so. So let me go ahead and get this locked and loaded, and again, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here is the unit. Now, let me just show you, and girl, listen. I have never in my entire life seen, have you ever seen this kind of, girl, listen, look. Girl, look. The lace, I left the lace on here intentionally just to kind of show you exactly what it looks like. I have never, now maybe I'm not an expert, but you ladies let me know down below in the comments. But have you ever in your life, look at this lace, like look, girl, y'all know I don't know a lot about hair, and y'all know that I struggle with doing hair. But girl, if you are like me and you don't know how to do baby hairs and you struggle with that, girl, look at this hairline. What lace? Girl, where is the lace? Where is it? Can you let's just take a moment of silence, girl, for my hairline, girl. This is a much more natural hairline than any regular pre-plucked hairline. And the thing about XrsBeauty Hair's lace is that they already pre-plucked the hairline. So it comes just like this. You guys, I did nothing to this hair except do my little hair melt, which was my first time ever doing a hair melt. I've never done that before, y'all. I don't wear wigs like this because I don't want that ghostly, you know, that ghostly shadow that you get, that you sometimes see people, they have that ghostly. I am like so afraid of that. But girl, look. Girl. Hello. I've never seen anything like that before. Let me tell you the specs of it, okay? So listen, I have a code, first of all, that's 15% off. I'm going to make sure that I put the code down below in the description box. So make sure that you check the description box for all the information that you need as it pertains to XrsBeauty wig. But let me just tell you guys the exact length. So this is 18 inches, 200% density, 13 by 6, new clear lace, clean hairline wig. You guys, it is undetectable. You know, you hear a lot about people be like, oh, it's undetectable lace. Girl, look at this. I never seen, girl. It's got the little wispies, so that way if you need to do baby hairs, you can. Now, you can see when I go like that. Girl, look. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut it. You gotta cut it, and I'll be right back. Girl, do you see this hair? This is my first time ever doing or being able to do a lace front wig. I have never ever done a melt or a lace front wig or anything like that. I wanted to just show you guys without heavy manipulation exactly what it looks like. Now, if there's anything going on with the hairline, it's because of me, not because of this hair. You guys, this is the best hair. Like, as far as a lace front wig, as far as transparent, new, like clear, not transparent, not just regular brown lace, but actual clear lace. This the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Listen, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's XrsBeauty. Okay? XrsBeauty Hair. It is so beautiful. It was 18 inches, 200% density. Now, the next thing I want to do is actually put some curls or some crimps in it. I've always wanted to do like that body wave with the crimp, but this is just it, and it's very natural, just flat, straight, no hair bump, you guys. Can you believe it, girl? No hair bump. But yeah, I want some body and some waves and some beauty like added to the hair so that it's not so flat. but I wanted to just show you guys, like, with low manipulation. So if this is the type of hair, if you are a girl like me who wears headband wigs, because I've always wore headband wigs, or half wigs because I did not like an unnatural hairline, but I'm completely happy with this. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I recommend it 1000%. I put my stamp of approval and my name on this hair. Listen, it's second to none. I will be able to say this is some of the best hair that I've ever had in my entire life. XrsBeauty Hair, very easy, very simple, high quality hair, okay? That's very easy to manipulate. I would love to put me some curls, even flat ironing, you know, because I don't really do, y'all know me, I don't do straight hair. I like me a little bump. A little bump. I need something with a little bump in it. Just a little something in it. But anyway, I absolutely love this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I think that you would love it too. All of the details, again, are down below in the description box. Go and get you some hair. It's 15% off. You're going to love this hair. It's clear lace, okay? Past transparent, okay? No ashy forehead. Clear lace up. Hello, girl, go get you some hair.
Hey, babe, where you going?
What you mean, where am I going?
Where are you going out to, huh? Who are you going to go see?
Mind your business, babe. Mind your business.
I've never seen you look this good.
Mind your business, babe. Mind.
Like that hair.
Thank you very much. Listen, I love you guys so much. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think of this hair, and don't forget to go try it, okay? And thank you so much for XrsBeauty Hair, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. Hello. Bye, girl.